Curious to know what's fueling the housing market? The summer housing market has been great and surprisingly active this year. Despite all the challenges with affordability and inventory, the demand for housing continues to remain strong, with buyer demand getting stronger and stronger. So why is this? Hi, I am Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty. According to the data from Showing Time Index, which is a site that measures buyers' activity, buyers' traffic is up in most of the country. This is great news for homeowners thinking of listing their home this summer, as there are plenty of buyers out there trying to find their perfect home. If you'd like more information on the current housing data and find out what is happening locally in your area, give me a call. I can help you strategize the sale of your home to get the best return on your investment. And don't forget, follow me on Daniela Realty for some